it's LaLiLu. Look at this amazing gift I got. Oh, it's Lali. Hey, where are you going? Gotcha. Why are you still in your pajamas? That won't do. Let's get you dressed. There was a secret package around here somewhere. Are you curious about what's inside too? What a cute dress. Let's try it on.
LaLiLu, this is so not my style, but I know what to do. We're gonna repaint it.
A great idea. Color the dress blue, then coat it with clear glitter polish. Now that's way better.
Wow, it turned out so pretty. LaLiLu, someone's singing out there. Oh my gosh, it's Huntrix. Woo!
Super golden, rising
My favorite group. That slaps. Woo! LaLiLu, I want to sing and perform like that too.
Thank you. See you at our next concert. Catch a souvenir from us to remember this.
Oh wow!
Bye-bye.
I'm so lucky. I'm gonna go practice. This is gonna be a total hit. Let me write it down before I forget. You can find even more of my songs in the link in the description. You liked my song too?
Lali,
LaLiLu, what's up?
did you see what time it is? You're late for school.
Oh no, right! Today is the music competition. I can't be late. I need to get ready. Oh, LaLiLu, this is a disaster.
Lali, what's wrong?
I have nothing to wear.
What about this dress?
I don't want it.
How about this one?
It's all old stuff. I'm so over it. Oh, LaLiLu, have you heard of upcycling? Let's remake my old clothes into something new.
Such a great idea. Let's do it. First, cut off the top part of the dress. We don't need these sleeves. Look at what a stylish top we get.
Wow, I love it.
We've also got some rhinestones. Let's decorate your top with them. Perfect.
Yes, but I want more glam. I have an idea. Let's add some feathers.
So good. Cut off the fluffy cuffs and glue them onto the sleeves. You're right, that's so much better. Now let's work on the skirt. Tippy tappy toe.
That's so funny. How do I make a skirt out of this? Oh wait, I know.
Where are you? What's taking so long?
I'm right here.
Here, catch.
Cut it. Snip, snip, snip. Done.
Let's try it on. It looks amazing.
Don't forget the rhinestones.
Of course. Add a trim. We also need a belt.
I had one somewhere. Oh, found it.
Perfect, it's a match. Lali, do you use this bag?
No, why?
We'll take off the chain.
What?
We'll hang it on your belt.
Oh, wow.
Okay, Lali, you're all set. You look stunning.
Thank you, LaLiLu. Oh gosh, look at the time. I'm gonna be late.
Everything's under control. We'll make it.
Wow, this place is so cool. Oh wow, a vocal competition. I'm so in.
Out of my way.
Hi, I'm Lali, and I'm new here.
You want to perform too?
Yes.
Did you know that for the competition you need a trampoline?
Seriously? No, I didn't. Thanks for the heads up.
Anytime. Bye.
LaLiLu, turns out I need a trampoline for the contest. Where do I get one?
Don't be sad. We'll make one right now. Let's go craft.
I brought a piece of cardboard.
Perfect. We'll use it to make a round base. Trace, cut out, and cover it with pink fabric. Add a sparkly trim along the edges. And set it on legs. Paint the skewer pieces pink. 6 legs done. There.
Here's the mesh, LaLiLu.
Thanks, Lali. Stretch the mesh and voila!
You forgot the ladder.
Oh, you're right. Here it is.
How about rhinestones?
Of course. A few final touches and done.
Wow, nobody else will have one of these. Okay, I'm off. Ugh, it's so heavy.
What is that? Why does she have a trampoline?
And here I am. I'm the only one with a trampoline. Oops.
Who's a trampoline? Lali, how did you know? Wow, so cool. You're amazing. We need a trampoline for our performance, but never got around to making one.
Come on, you're performing first. Okay, I'm ready.
Then let's start.
You've got this.
super golden, rising higher.
Now get on the trampoline. Woohoo! Girls, come join me. Let's go, Rumi. Yes! Woo! Let's go! Phew! LaLiLu, thanks for catching me. I want to film a vlog for my subscribers. It's gonna be fun. Hey everyone, it's Lali, and I'm live right now. Thanks for your support. Oh, someone just left a comment.
Let me see. They're asking what you're going to ride to the concert in.
Right! What am I writing in? I need to end the stream. Bzz. Technical difficulties. Bzz. We're going through a tunnel. Bzz. LaLiLu, what do I do? How will I get there? Oops! Oh, what's this? Light bulb moment. LaLiLu, make this box bigger.
1 sec. There.
That slaps. Let's turn it into a tour trailer. Let's go. I'm here. This box is about to shine.
Let's see what's inside.
This will be an awesome space for my stuff and costumes. Let's put a sponge in there. Come on, fit in there. Done. So, what's next? Ooh, idea. Let's make this sheet pink and blue. Those are my favorite colors. Cover the box with it. So cute. I love this combo. And let's make the roof into a bed.
Okay, let's do it.
Got a mattress and a pillow. Time to lie down. Awesome!
Wow, Lali fell asleep so fast. Lali. Okay, let's not wake her up. We'll make safety rails from skewers so Lali doesn't fall off, and decorate with rhinestones.
I really crashed hard. Wow, you thought of everything! Now riding will be both comfy and safe.
Lali, and these will work as handles to open the trunk.
Oh, right, of course. Time to pack my things. Okay, speaker, my favorite notebook, my teddy bear, phone. Gosh, I have so much stuff. Rhinestones, more rhinestones.
All packed and ready.
Yay! Now I have my own tour trailer. But something's missing. Of course, where's the driver's cab?
Oh, I totally forgot. Ta-da!
Wow, it has a heart-shaped headlights and a sparkly roof and a real superstar license plate. Let's ride. Oops, why aren't we moving? LaLiLu, there are no wheels. Good thing I have this bottle cap. Cover it in sparkly foam sheet. Decorate it and attach it to the car. Slay! And now the final touch. Let's add a pop of color. Okay, now we're really done. Let's go! Yay, I made it! Today, the one and only Huntrix is performing for us. Let's run. Excuse me, is this your trailer? Such a cool style. Yes, this is my trailer. I made it together with my bestie, LaLiLu. LaLiLu!
Hey, everyone.
Very original. And what look will you be wearing for the performance? A look? Right, a look. You'll see soon. Oh my gosh, I forgot my concert outfit. It's in my trailer. Let me go change, and I'll be right back. She's kinda strange, don't you think?
Yeah, a little bit.
Ah, LaLiLu! We completely forgot about the look. We didn't bring any dresses. Oh, maybe there's something in the bag. Hey, Lou. And why do I have this? This is for you, LaLiLu.
Thank you.
All I have are hair ties. LaLiLu, what do you have?
Not much.
Oh, a paper clip. That'll come in handy.
We'll make a fluffy top from the blue tie.
Need the paper clip?
Of course. Unbend it, cut it, and shape it into a heart for decoration.
It needs more bling.
That's no problem at all.
Oh, wow! I want pink gems. Dazzling! Now for the skirt.
We'll make it two-toned, also from ties. Add paperclip accents along the hemline.
There are 2 more left.
Perfect. We'll make a belt from them. Unbend and twist. Perfect. One final touch. Ta-da! So, Lali, are you ready?
Always. Then hurry up. The show is about to start. What? Where's our stage? Why is there just a box here?
This is awful. Where do we perform?
What's inside? Girls, I found my notebook.
Any ideas where to get a stage?
Yes, it's gonna be a hit. LaLiLu, make the notebook bigger.
Amazing, a Lali notebook. Oh, it's full of Huntrix stickers.
So cool, that's exactly what we need. I can help. I love cutting out. Ouch, hey! All done. This is gonna be absolutely incredible.
You girls did so great. Oh, I know how to fix it. Now watch some Lali magic. Fold our sheet in half and sketch out the stage design. Make slits, fold what we cut inward, and that creates a base shape. Need to add another section. Sketch it out and cut again. We need to hit the fold in the other direction.
Can I do it? Can I?
Of course.
There, awesome. What would you do without me, LaLiLu?
Let's set up our stage. Add a bright floor.
And now stickers! This one goes here, and this one here. It's slaying.
Add rhinestones so our stage really sparkles. Now this is truly glam. I'm sure the girls are gonna love it.
LaLiLu, thanks for your help. You're the best.
Wow, what an amazing stage.
It came out so great.
Oh gosh, the fans are already here. We'll close this for now.
Huntrix, Huntrix. What? Where's Huntrix?
Where are they?
Oh, wait,
What's that sound? I think it's coming from over there.
So, are you all ready? Yes! I can't hear you. Yes! Then let's go! Huntrix! Lali! See? My dream came true, and yours will too. Bye-bye!